Soulful Tea in the kitchen. I say Soulful Tea in the kitchen, I'm in my kitchen. So anyway, welcome back to Soulful Tea. Today I'm going to give you a breakfast. I say breakfast. Breakfast is tea. Okay. Today I'm going to give you a breakfast. It's not my recipe. My brother said he makes this for his wife. So I'm going to make it, and this is actually my first time making it, and we're going to do it on camera. Okay. So I choose to use a measuring cup. You can use a bowl.
What are we making?
Oh, I don't know. What should we call it? It's like a egg omelet cupcake, I guess I'm going to say it. Okay, I'm going to call it an egg omelet cupcake. My brother didn't give me a name. He just told me how to make it. A croissant omelet cupcake. You know what, you guys? I want to come up there. I'm going to think of something. But you need a bowl. I got a measuring cup, so I want to like pour it. Pour it.
Extra short today.
I look extra short.
Maybe I'm just getting tall. I don't know.
When you get tall, you just got the camera too close. Okay. You're going to need some eggs, a tomato, spinach, cheese. I got sliced cheese because I don't have any shredded cheese. Meat of choice is up to you. I had turkey, but you could use ham. You could cook some bacon and crumble it up in there.
Swine.
And cooking spray. This is a butter cooking spray. I hope I got some in here that I want to spray in my cupcake pan. Or you can just take some soft butter and do it like if you're doing biscuit pan. Spinach, and this is croissant. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to, let me see. Okay, I did rinse it out. Something fell in there the whole time. I'm going to spray my pan. I don't know. I got, this thing is 8 croissants. Ooh, step back. Oh, fire. I'm sorry. Okay. Because, you know, this is my brother's recipe, and I don't really know. You okay?
Tastes buttery.
Yeah, but so this is a croissant. You know the croissant rolls by Pillsbury? Pillsbury croissant rolls, you guys. I opened up first off camera because I had a hard time. Okay. How does this work? You pull the croissant apart. Lord. Okay. I done messed up. My brother told me, oh, this you get doing other people's recipes.
Maybe we should have practiced first.
I should have practiced first. Yeah, this ain't coming out right. And this is all croissant.
Let me cut the camera off.
No, don't cut the camera off, because you know what? I'm going to get these things peeled. Because when you do yours, you know how when you unpeel the croissant and it had a little diagonal line and you want to peel it apart? Well, mine's just going to be roughing it. It's going to be croissant. Okay. And then he told me to lay it in the he told me to lay it in the biscuit tray. In the tray. He told me to lay it in a tray. Like I'm making a cupcake. So look at this hot. This is a hot mess on my part. Maybe because I had them out too long, or as soon as I open it up, I should have done it. But you know, when you guys open yours up, roll it out the way you roll them out, like you're doing the croissants, and it's gonna be a diagonal line, and you're gonna wanna just pull apart from that diagonal line and just place it correctly in your tray. And your cupcake liner, the cupcake pan. And then you guys, let me just go ahead and get this together. See? And this way it's going to be smushed down like that. See how I smushed it in there? So let me go ahead and do all 8 of those and I'll get back to you. Guys, look at here. I couldn't get that croissant dough back together. So I just went on and mashed the dough up together. Hey, this might not be what my brother wanted. But guess what? Your bottom of your little handheld omelets, I just took that. So if your croissants get messed up, honey, do what I did. I just put it together. It's still the croissant dough, right? So it's gonna be your crust, like your bread, like your biscuit, but it's made out of croissant. It's gonna be your crust for your omelet. That's all it's gonna be. So Look how I just spread it out at the bottom of the pan. And so we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna stick that right there. Forgive me, you guys. So I'm gonna make 9. That's true. I came up with 9 instead of with 8. Because with 8 croissants, I'm doing it my way. I came up with 9. So I'm gonna do. You think you're gonna try one of these?
I'm gonna try like a few of them. I haven't eaten breakfast yet either.
No, we haven't eaten breakfast. It's like what, 2 o'clock?
Yeah.
Okay. Since I have 9, I think I'm gonna use about 7 eggs. Because you're not even gonna fill these up all the way, just halfway. No, heck no. You know what? I'm just gonna use 6 eggs. Okay. To this, I want to add
one more egg.
One more egg.
I'm an egg.
He's a hit egg. Okay. So I got my 7 eggs here, and I'm gonna do some spinach. Spinach is good for you guys. You know, if you don't like spinach, you don't have to do it. But I'm not gonna put that much. But yeah, I took it right out the bag. You can wash yours. I ain't feel like going over to the sink. We're eating this, but when you wash yours, hey,
be careful.
Be careful. Dice it up, and hey, spinach is good for you. Cook either way. I love spinach. This is these are baby spinaches too.
Only 7 calories. I googled it last night.
What, a leaf?
No, just 1 cup.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. 7 calories. I might do this. I need to eat a handful of it then, right?
You'll be skinny by next week.
Eat us all spinach diet.
Can you survive off that?
It's food.
As long as it make you full.
It make you full, and then it's good for you. I mean, you could chop off the stems. I chose not to do that. You can make it a little smaller. You know, dice the spinach up really, really fine and well the way you want it. But I want to see it. Now, again, so it's basically like making an omelet, you guys. That's all it is. And I'm just showing you a different, cute little way of doing it. I love tomatoes in my eggs. You know I do.
We tomato people.
Yeah, we love tomatoes.
And it's healthy, vitamin C in there.
And I'm just going to do the cubes, just like that.
Oh, yeah.
See, yeah, see, look. And I'm going to cut me up. Hey, I ain't say it's the perfect omelet. But if this come out good, and if you're watching this video, that means this recipe was a success.
True.
True, because I can't guarantee it because, again, this is not my recipe. So let me put in. My meat of choice is turkey. I don't eat ham.
You making a big omelet? Or you gonna put inside of this?
Yeah, they pull inside there.
Okay.
So this is turkey from my local deli, BJ's. You know, I always talk because you got my BJ. And I'll put it up in there like that. As much meat, you know, as you want. These are really handheld. From what my brother telling me, his wife, she does. Okay.
What? His
wife doesn't cook. They've been married for about 15 years. She don't know how to cook. My brother is the cook. My brother is the cook. Now get this. My mom has 7 kids. And my brother and I are the only 2 that cook.
Sad but true.
7 kids. So I want to mix it up. To get my turkey and my spinach all up in there. See? And at this point, if you had like cheddar cheese, you can put your cheddar cheese up in there, but you want to beat it real well. I think I used like 2.5 turkeys. You know, you use as much as spinach, much as turkeys and tomatoes as you want. And guess what? Andre, throw. Cheddar cheese probably would have been best. I didn't have any. So I'm just going to throw this up in there, break it down in slices. And I mean, cheese make everything taste good. So, it do. It really do. You know, I should know. Look at me. I put cheese on everything, people.
I try not to.
But,
I don't like it on my sandwiches.
Yeah, my other
white
son.
Cheese.
Yeah, my other son don't like cheese on his sandwich even. I did 2 pieces of cheese. That's a lot of and my season of choice, or if you have a you like onions, you can put onions in here. I don't do salt because cheese has salt, and yeah, that's a lot of pepper, but guess what? It's getting stirred up. I love pepper. So you can alternate anything you want for your omelet, but I'm just showing you guys how to prepare it. But it's your omelet. Put anything you want in it. You like mushrooms, anything you want in it. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it right there.
Yeah. You got some left over too. What know you do? Can you make a real omelet after this with that leftover?
That look great. Yeah, if you're looking at that, that means this is a success. I'm gonna say that again, because I don't know if I know what I'm doing. My brother just told me about this the weekend.
Let me hear the rest of that.
And you know, I like cheese. I don't know if I got enough cheese in there, so guess what? I'm just gonna put a dice of cheese on top, because I love my cheese. Because I ain't see something and get no cheese. Okay. The croissants say cook on 375, so that's why I got the oven on 375 already preheated. So we're gonna put it in there and let's see if we get a good result. Hey you guys, I'm taking them out the oven. It's been about 25 minutes.
That look good.
That's about 25 minutes. So look at that. That is your croissant egg omelet. That's what I want to call it, croissant egg omelet.
Yeah.
So, I want a big one, because I'm greedy. I mean, the house smell wonderful. Look at that croissant. Ooh, yeah, look at that croissant. That's your bread at the bottom. So you don't need no bread with that. I do not want to eat it. I mean, I don't want to, 3 pretty ones.
That one got cheese, but I guess I'll take that one.
Look at that croissant. The croissant is cooked on 375. This took maybe, did I say about camera fogging up?
No, it's not going
on. Okay. This took maybe, because I asked my brother, well, how long does it take? He said, I don't know. I just cook it to the eggs done. So, on 375, if you can't peel the croissants apart, do what I did. I balled them croissants up and split them and pressed them down in there and made my own bottom. And guess what? It still came out golden brown and it looks delicious. It's an omelet on a croissant. Do the omelet your way. I have turkey, spinach, cheese, tomatoes. So, how that look?
Delicious.
I want to taste this. Can I put this down right here?
Yeah, go ahead, take it.
But see, it's hot. I'm going to bite into it. You know what a carrot remind me of?
Mom, I ain't trying to be funny. You going to burn your tongue.
No, I know. I can't bite that. Look at the inside. It can remind me of a quiche. That's what it reminds me. You eat quiche? Guys, I want to taste it, but I can't. That tastes good. You guys is going to love it. You're going to love it. So, I'm going to wrap it up. I cannot taste it. It's too hot. Can you back up a little bit, please?
Oh, I'm sorry.
I feel smothered. You know how you're in the elevator, you feel like you're being suffocated? That's how I feel like.
I'm sorry.
But, let me see. This is an omelet. A croissant omelet and a cupcake. I'm going to say a cupcake omelet. Cupcake croissant omelet by Soulful Tea. That's what I'm going to call it. And it looks great, guys. Once they cool off, you can hold this in your hand and take bite size. That crust is amazing. That croissant crust is. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and share it, pass it on. Recipe will be up. I'm about to eat this once it cool off.
And that turkey smell good.
And that turkey smell good. Okay, you guys, bye. Because I want to give it that taste that I'm looking for. And salt, pepper.